Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a channel on Telegram. Very simple, okay? So we are going to start, as you can see right now, I'm on my mobile phone, okay? Go to your mobile phone, open Telegram. When Telegram is open, click here, the search button. I'm gonna look for any channel I want. Let's say I'm gonna open this one, Africa News, okay? This is one channel. I can go back, look for another channel, let's say Africa. You got this one, okay? If you want, you can join this channel, okay? If I say I'm gonna join it, you can see here they say you joined this group, okay? It's fine, very simple. Hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.